It's a great day for a baptism. And I feel completely underdressed. But at the same time, I have like nothing to wear and nothing that fits me. So, I have on my new bracelets. Digging the pink quartz and rose gold. I need to find shoes. I don't really think I have anything. So I put on some earrings, but now my ears are itching like crazy. I have on a tank top and this sweater, and these are my mom's pants, and these are my shoes. I'm not a fan of this outfit, but I might have to do, because we gotta leave like any minute now. I still gotta try to get the hours. The base of this price tag. Oh, my new bracelet. And that has a little charm. It's all cute. I got my new ring. Here's my bracelet in focus. Got a little healing sign. Some, looks like opal or moonstone, I don't know. And then rose quartz. And there's a little tag still stuck to it. And then more rose quartz crystals. And today is the day of love. I don't know. Anyways, I need to charge this battery so I can film some fun stuff a little later. One of the many mother's gifts. Succulent garden. Yeah, my mommy got some Bobbi Brown Beach hand wash, and there's another thing on its way. Oh, and that's Jamie's new toy. Everyone's gone home. I'm exhausted. Hello.
Hello, baby doll. How are you, Mel?
It's cold and I'm tired.
It's raining like the dickens.
Oh yeah, that's right. It never stops raining. Rain again. All it does is rain. Finally gonna get to give Grandma her flowers. It smells so yummy.